Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by collecting every recovered file into one working folder so nothing gets overwritten. Once done, make a verified copy of each recovered item. This preserves raw data in case a repair step damages a file. Next, choose a repair tool: FFmpeg for command line control, VLC for quick fixes, or a specialized utility for deep repairs. Because different tools fix different corruption types, you will run a simple probe, first to see container versus codec problems. You probe the file to learn whether the issue is a damaged container header or broken codec frames. This tells you the right approach. If the container is corrupt, remuxing with FFmpeg using ccopy often restores playability without re-encoding, so try that first. Once remuxed, check playback and timestamps. If remuxing fails, extract raw video and audio streams and rewrap them into a new container. That isolates stream-level faults and often recovers most content intact. You now address codec-level corruption by re-encoding only the damaged stream, which fixes broken frames while preserving as much quality as possible. Use a conservative CRF and a sensible preset so you don't overcompress. Once encoded, verify sync and seek behavior in multiple players to ensure wider compatibility. Finally, if artifacts or drops remain, perform a frame-level scan or try a hex-level repair for header fixes. If that still fails, keep the original copies and seek specialist recovery.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.